Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a hotel on the Virgin Australia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then click on the second button down below, which is book. Then click on book a hotel in the middle of the screen, which is the third option, and after that you will be directed to a page, but you need to wait a few seconds till it loads, and after that you should scroll down and select your destination, type it into the search bar, and then select the check-in and check-out date from the calendar. Click on select dates, set the number of rooms and the number of guests, then click on the apply button at the bottom of the screen and then tap on search hotels to look for the available options. Here you can see the available results. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to check out. You will be directed to a website where you can browse among the results. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.